start off the work week today. Temperatures today quite a bit lower than what we enjoyed at the start of the weekend. Our high this afternoon, 34 degrees. Our low so far, 31. That's our current temperature. A far cry from Saturday when highs reached 63 degrees. 1/100th of an inch of precipitation early this morning. That fell as a mix of light rain and wet snow, but it looks to stay dry for tonight and really for the next several days. Even into the weekend, dry conditions look to prevail. We've cooled off a little bit over the last hour or two, down to 31 degrees in Lima. It's 32 in Ottawa, now 30 as we look to the south in Sydney. On the satellite and radar composite, cloud cover for much of the day today, but now those clouds are eroding from southwest to northeast, and mostly clear weather will be the rule by later this evening and late tonight as high pressure builds in. That's not going to last too long. There is another cold front back to the northwest cutting across Wisconsin. With that, some extra clouds. Not much moisture with this frontal boundary, but as the front moves in, clouds will increase for a time late tomorrow. The breeze will pick up a bit, and then even colder conditions likely for tomorrow night. Tomorrow night, temperatures likely to fall back into the lower 20s, so a chilly weather pattern at least briefly before another warm-up for later in the week. Mostly clear skies once again later this evening by 10 p.m. Late tonight, clear to partly cloudy. Sunshine tomorrow morning. Now, that front will approach in the afternoon. Still a mostly sunny sky, but later in the day, some extra clouds will sneak in with that boundary. It will stay precipitation-free, and we're back into sunshine on Wednesday, albeit with cooler temperatures. More sunshine moving ahead into Thursday, and for that matter, Friday as well. Again, even for the weekend, a mix of sun and clouds can be expected. Temperatures warming up a little bit, well into the 40s by then. Later this evening, we're down to 29 degrees in Lima and in Delphos by 9 p.m. Late tonight, those temperatures fall back just another degree or two, upper 20s for most of us to start things off by daybreak. Tomorrow afternoon, with that mix of sun and clouds, back to 43 degrees in Salina, 43 also as we look to the northeast in Findlay. And then for tomorrow night, with that front moving through, we're going to cool off a bit more, lower 20s to start things off Wednesday morning, even with sunshine back into the mid to upper 30s Wednesday afternoon, so colder for Wednesday compared to tomorrow's weather. Our forecast for tonight, clearing continues from southwest to northeast, seasonably cold temperatures down to 28 degrees for a low. Sunshine tomorrow, a few extra clouds in the afternoon as the breeze picks up, gusting as high as 25 miles per hour. Our high temperature at 44 degrees. In the 7-day Storm Authority forecast for our Wednesday, mostly sunny skies, a little cooler. Our high temperature at 39, down to 22 for Wednesday night. Back into sunshine Thursday, 44 our predicted high here. As the winds turn around to the southwest again, we're going to start to warm things up a little bit more for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday with plenty of sunshine. Highs climbing into the upper 40s to eventually near 50. Another front looks to go through, likely without much of any precipitation. Next Monday's high 42 with a mix of sun and clouds. Katie.